Hello students. In the last video, I have discussed about the historical background of photosynthesis and early experiments related to the photosynthesis process. In this video, I am discussing the photosynthetic pigments. Before to that, please subscribe my channel for next coming videos. Photosynthetic pigments are of three types. In that, first one is chlorophyll, second one carotenoids, and third one is phycobilins. Chlorophyll is a major form of a pigment which is present in a thylakoids. Chlorophyll pigments are of different types, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, D and chlorophyll E, and bacteriochlorophyll, bacterioviridin. So these are the different types of chlorophylls which are involved in the photosynthesis process. And the second type of pigments, that is carotenoids, are classified into two groups. In that, first one is carotene and second group is xanthophylls. Usually the carotene includes the molecular formula, that is C40H56, and xanthophylls are having the molecular formula, that is C40H50O2. The third type of pigments are phycobilins. In that phycobilins, again there are two types. The first one is phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. Phycoerythrin, it is a red color pigment, and phycocyanin, it is a blue color pigments. Usually these pigments present in a blue-green algae. So this is about the classification of photosynthetic pigments. So in these three type of photosynthetic pigments, chlorophyll plays a very important role. So in that, the chlorophyll A is usually called, it is a necessary pigment, and remaining chlorophyll molecules are called, these are the accessory pigments. Next, the bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridin are the type of the chlorophyll which are present in a bacteria cells. So this is the classification of photosynthetic pigments. Next, I will explain in detail one by one. First type of a pigment is chlorophyll pigment. So before to that, what is the meaning of pigment? A pigment is a substance that absorbs the light of different wavelengths. That's why pigments plays a very important role in photosynthesis process. So these helps in the trapping of light energy. Chlorophyll is a type of pigment that gives a green color to the leaves. Usually it absorbs the light in a violet, blue wavelengths, and also in the red region of visual spectrum of light. But the chlorophyll reflects the green light, hence they impact green color to the leaves. So this is the reason why the leaves appears green in color. The reason is the chlorophyll pigments reflects the green colored light. So that is the main reason. The portion of spectrum between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, it is referred as photosynthetically active radiation. In short, it is called PAR. What is the PAR? Photosynthetically active radiation. The spectrum between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer are referred as PAR, that is photosynthetically active radiations. In that, different types of chlorophyll molecule, the chlorophyll A is called a necessary pigment. It's having a molecular formula, that is C55H72O5N4Mg. So this is the molecular formula of a necessary pigment, that is chlorophyll A molecule. The structure of chlorophyll molecule includes the head and tail part. Usually the head is called porphyrin head and the tail part is called phytol side chain tail. Chlorophyll molecule has a centrally located magnesium, and there are 4 nitrogen atoms surrounded the magnesium. These nitrogen atoms are connected with the chiral rings. The tail part is called phytol side chain. The phytol side chain includes the 20 carbon atoms attached to the 7th hydrocarbon tail. Phytol side chain attached with the 7th hydrocarbon atom. The tail attaches to the 4th ring. This is about the chlorophyll molecule structure. Here the chlorophyll molecule includes the centrally located magnesium, and that magnesium is surrounded by the 4 nitrogen atoms. These nitrogen atoms are connected with the 4 chiral rings. These are the 4 chiral rings, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And last 5th ring is called the cyclopentanone ring. The ring first to 4th are called chiral rings and 5th ring is called cyclopentanone ring. All these rings altogether forms a head part of the chlorophyll molecule, that is porphyrin head of a chlorophyll, and the tail part is called phytol side chain. Usually it includes the 20 carbon atom. So this is the phytol side chain with 20 carbon atoms. The tail part of the chlorophyll molecule attached with the 7th carbon atom. So here it is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5, 6th carbon atom, and here 7th, 8th and last 9th and 10th, and remaining carbon atoms are present at the tail part of the chlorophyll molecule, that includes the 20 carbon atoms. So that tail part is made with the hydrocarbon molecule. So that tail part is called phytol tail or phytol side chain of a chlorophyll molecule. At the position of 3rd carbon atom, there will be a R group, that is alkyl or aryl group. So that group is present at the position, that is R group is present at the 3rd carbon atom position. In case of chlorophyll A molecule, the R group includes the CH3 molecule. But in case of chlorophyll B molecule, the R group comprises the CHO molecule. So that is the actual difference between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B molecule. The structure of chlorophyll molecule includes the head and tail part. The head part consists of 1 to 4 chiral rings and 5th cyclopentanone ring. So usually the head part includes totally 5 rings, in that 1 to 4th rings are called chiral rings and 5th ring is called cyclopentanone ring. Altogether 5 rings forms a head part of a chlorophyll molecule, and the tail part is attached with the 7th carbon atom, especially at the 4th chiral ring. The tail part is attached to the head part, that is at the 4th chiral rings. So this tail part, that is phytol side chain part includes the 20 carbon atoms. And at the R position, there will be a functional group, that is CH3 in case of chlorophyll A molecule, and CHO group is there in case of chlorophyll B molecule. That is the only difference. Okay, usually the R group is present at the third carbon atom of a second chiral ring. Here it is a third carbon atom. In this position, the R group is present. The chlorophyll A molecule includes the methylene group at the R position. That is, methylene group is nothing but it is a CH3 group at the third carbon atom. And the chlorophyll B molecule includes the aldehyde group, that is CHO group, in this R position. So that is the difference. Chlorophyll A molecule includes the methylene group at the R group, that is the R position, that is at the third carbon atom, but the aldehyde group is present in case of chlorophyll B molecule. This is about the structure of chlorophyll molecule, and different types of the chlorophyll are having the almost same structure, but they differ in the small variations. That means only the number of hydrogen atoms varies from one type of a chlorophyll molecule to another type. That means the chlorophyll A molecule includes 72 hydrogen atoms, but the chlorophyll B molecule includes the 70 hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula. Next, the molecular formula of chlorophyll B molecule is C55H70O6N4Mg. So this is the molecular formula of chlorophyll B molecule. So here the difference is, the chlorophyll B molecule is having the 70 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms, whereas the chlorophyll A molecule includes the 72 hydrogen atoms and 5 oxygen atoms. Next, the molecular formula of chlorophyll C molecule is C35H32O5N4Mg. So this is the molecular formula of chlorophyll C. Next, chlorophyll D molecule includes a molecular formula, that is C55H70O6N4Mg. So this is the molecular formula of chlorophyll D molecule. Next, the bacteriochlorophyll molecule includes the molecular formula, that is C55H74O6N4Mg. So this is the molecular formula of the chlorophyll which are present in bacteria cells, that is bacteriochlorophyll. So this is about the molecular formula of different types of chlorophyll molecules. Usually the chlorophyll A is a necessary pigment and remaining chlorophylls are called accessory pigments. Chlorophyll A and B, these two pigments plays a very important role in the photosynthesis process. Usually the chlorophyll A molecule appears a bluish green in color, but the chlorophyll B molecule appears olive green in color. Usually in transmitted light, chlorophyll molecule appears green in color, but in transmitted light, the chlorophyll B molecule appears the yellowish green in color. Usually the chlorophyll B molecule absorbs the blue and red wavelengths. And next, chlorophyll C molecule is usually present in brown algae and in diatoms and in dinoflagellates. Next, the chlorophyll D molecule is usually reported in red algae species. And last, bacteriochlorophyll is usually present in purple sulfur bacteria. So all these chlorophyll molecules plays a very important role in the photosynthesis process. Usually the chlorophyll molecules are called the necessary pigments, and remaining molecules means remaining pigments like carotenoids and phycobilins. So those are called the accessory pigments. So these indirectly helps during the photosynthesis process, but the chlorophyll molecule is necessary for the trapping of light energy. So these are the necessary pigments. So this is about structure of chlorophyll molecule and their molecular formula. In the next video, I will cover the difference between the chlorophyll A and B molecule, and next the other type of pigments like carotenoids and phycobilins. In order to get the new videos notification, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you.